Hi, my name is Faith Patel and I studied digital media and design in 2025. I heard about communication design through a church friend, and yeah, it just seemed like something that was really me, but I didn't have any qualifications, so I took digital media and design as a way to step into that area. My experience in digital media design was very practical. We weren't just learning about random things. Yeah, it was all projects. You got to learn so many different things. But I think my favorite part is how accessible it was. You can take the course not knowing anything, which was really useful for me because I didn't know how to use a desktop before I came to Polytech, but they were very patient. They taught me everything I needed to know. I would recommend it if you're wanting to get into communication design and you're a bit worried about it and you haven't studied before. Digital media design is a really, really good stepping stone. They set you up quite well for the future.